possible cybercrime activity in the vicinity. Airspace and all controlled areas to be locked down. Section 9 is currently on site. Repeat, all patrolling air units be advised. Possible cybercrime activity.
This is Major. I'm on site.
I'm human. I'm flawed. But I embrace change. And enhancement? Now there's nothing I can't do. Nothing I can't know. Nothing I can't be. Wait, listen to something.
Au clair de la lune, mon ami Pierrot.
It's my 4-year-old daughter. The time it took her to sing that lullaby, she learned to speak fluent French. No, that's all.
There's an echo box up here. Someone's scanning data traffic. Let's see who's worth this kind of surveillance. Accessing hotel security network. Got it. 43rd floor. Someone contact the president's staff. Someone's watching him.
Dr. Osman, what is it you want from us?
I think it's more about what Hanker Robotics can do for you. 73% of this world is woken up to the age of cyber enhancement. You really want to be left behind.
My people embrace cyber enhancement, as do I. There's no one who really understands the risk to individuality, identity, messing with the human soul.
Gentlemen, excuse me, I think you have the wrong...
Hallway, 6 men, shots fired. Section 9 ETA.
2 minutes out, Major.
Too long. I'm going in.
I've heard this speech before from your competitors. And now, Hanker Robotics serves it with milky sake. This is what I'm talking about.
Who sent you?
Please.
Answer me.
Collaborate with Hanker Robotics and be destroyed.